Alright, you are welcome back. This is another question on the board. 50 centimeter cube of a gas at STP weighted 0.11 gram. What is the vapor density of the gas? Molar volume of a gas at STP equal to 22.4 dm cube. This particular question is under the topic calculation of relative molecular mass and vapor density. A question like this poses serious threat on students in the sense that if you are not careful, you will not even know where to start from. So it's very simple. The first thing, as I've told you earlier on, just ask yourself, since you have known where the question was done from, ask yourself, what's the formula? Is there any related formula I'm going to use? Yes, of course there is. Now, there is this formula that says relative molecular mass is equal to 2 multiplied by vapor density. Then, how am I going to get my relative molecular mass? That is the next challenge. Then go back to the top. We are told that 50.0 centimeter cube of the gas weighted 0.11 gram. Oh, that means we are starting from that place. 50.0 centimeter cube is equal to 11 gram. It weighted this. So now you convert this one to dm cube. Just divide by 1000. 6.0 divided by 1000. So it's equal to 0.11 gram. Here we have 0.056 dm cube is equal to 0.11 gram. But remember, we are saying that 1 mole of any gas at STP occupy 22.4 dm cube. It means that if this is the amount occupied, the weight occupied by this 0.056 dm cube, it means 22.4 dm cube will be 0.11 divided by 0.056 multiplied by 22.4 over 1. So if you do this very well, you are going to get 44 gram. And remember, coming back to our formula, we say so Rmm is equal to 2 multiplied by vapor density. Our relative molecular mass now is 44. When we have 44, we have 2 multiplied by Vd. And remember, we are looking for our Vd. So divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2, this divided by 2. 2 here, we have 22 here is equal to Vd. Then therefore our vapor density will be equal to 22. So now over to our pitfalls. Is there any pitfall? Are there any pitfall in this question? Yes, there are a lot of pitfalls. When I mean pitfall, I mean areas that can easily create confusion and doubt in the mind of the student. So the first area that will create confusion in your mind is that, okay, our final answer Vd, whether is it going to be in gram per dm cube, is it going to be in gram? Your final answer will not have any unit because vapor density is a ratio of the density of the particular gas over that of hydrogen gas, and so in that case it is a ratio of two like entities, so it's not going to have any unit. So your answer, your vapor density is going to be 22. So thank you very much for watching.